Magkalay po tayo po sa Mentality League. Semifinals game between Team Oryx and Team Chef. Overtime po tayo ha. Overtime po ito. Overtime. Floater shot ni Chef. Pasok. The score right is 87 up 2 minutes 52 remaining. Overtime po tayo. Overtime. Laman po sila team ni Melvin. Team Oryx in black. Salud. Sulod. Slicing. Patay. Pasok ang bola kay Salud. Pasok ang bola kay Salud. Chef. Number 5. Slicing. Pasok. Slicing, dicing, and popping. On the run ngayon, sinano? Team Oryx in black. Kalilong. Nako, sayang, muntik pa. 2 shots given kay Carbonell. Carbonell, 2 shots given. Yung black shirts po, yan po siyang Team Oryx. Team ni Melvin po yan. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Overtime match. Overtime. Second shot. Out din. Salute for the rebound. Hindi po. Tinulungan, pinagtulungan. Number 5. Binababa. Binababa. And marami. Bishop pass. And one play ang ginawa. And one play completed by number 9. Number 29, Warner for graduate. Bonus shot given. The score is 82-8 at 1 minute 54 seconds remaining. Overtime. Pumalo na. And it's out. Kalilo naka-rebound. Kalilo naka-rebound. Kalilo dinadrive ang bola. 82-8 yung score. They need to stop. Driving. Wala. Rebound. Pero won by the white shirts. Number 5. Number 5. Turning. And tabla na naman tayo. Tabla. 1 minute. And timeout called by Team Oryx. Team Oryx called for a timeout. Team Oryx, tumawag po ng timeout. 8-12 po tayo at 1 minute 33 seconds remaining. Overtime po tayo. Team Oryx versus Team ni Chef. Melvin showing sign of concern already na naman. Kahit standing na naman siya. Okay. 1 minute 33 seconds remaining. Kalilong for the inbound. Inbound ni Kalilong. Okay, pinasa muli. Pinasa. Manson, Renzo for 3. Wala. Nakuha. Kalilong. Floater shot. Malakas. Rebound. Pero 1 by Salud. May Renzo rather. Pero may foul. Penalty situation po yan. Penalty situation. Manson shooting for a bonus free throw. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready para sa Team Oryx. Pops up. Pasok. A minute and 30 remaining. 33-80 yung score po natin yun. Final minute already. Approach the final minute mark ng ating overtime. The winner of the team po will play the winner of the next game for tonight. Wala, hindi lumabas. Rebound, battle one, and it's a black ball. Black ball. Oryx ball.
Grabe man si yan, nice pass.
personal foul po yan. Carbonell shooting for 2. Shooting for 2 po si Mr. Carbonell. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. 15 seconds remaining. No good. Rebound di Salud. Salud. Same ball. Same ball, same ball, same ball. Same ball. Pops up. No good. Okay, binababa ngayon ng Team White Shirts ni Team Chef. Chef Team. Eto na. And now 83, 37 seconds remaining. 10 second shot clock. Pinantay. Pops up. Fade away shot. No good. Carbonell. Carbonell again. Nice one. Kapos. Loose ball. Loose ball. Loose ball. Number 5, slicing. Foul. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Penalty situation. Number 5, 2 shots given. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Tablados tayo, 23. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 84. Okay, 83-84. 83-84. Oryx has to get this shot in order to go inside and in order to penetrate to the championships, or else papasok po ang team nila Ship. Okay, may 10 seconds pa. May 10 seconds pa. Manson, Renzo, inbounding. Renzo mo sa binabantayan. Nahuli! Nahuli! Wow! Foul number 29. Carbonell, 5 personal foul. Graduate. 2 shots given. Okay, 2 shots given. Nope. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, battle, 1. Okay, final score 83-84. 83-84 final score. Winner, the White Shirts, ang team ni Shep. Ano ba talaglagan to? Naglagan to? Semi-finals? Ah, hindi. Sige, that concludes po. After this game po is Team Cebu. Hindi mo yun. Oh, sa personal ko to, personal. Ha? kay Scott na si Scott na mag-share. Kay Scott. Okay, salamat. Yung link kay Scott bibigay ko. Okay, that concludes po ngayon. Winner, Team Hustlers. Team ni Chef po yan, Team White Shirts. And congratulations for to advancing to the finals. Their team will match up po sa Team Assassins versus, of course, Team Cebu. Salamat po and good morning po sa inyo lahat.